Hey there everyone, today I am going to be tickling my nose with a feather. I actually got this pack of white feathers for Christmas, this past Christmas, and I do plan on using these for some crafts, but I was also wondering if feathers would make me sneeze. So I finally got some, and I have tried them out before, and oddly enough, they do make me sneeze, but the oddly enough part is that they only make me sneeze once. One time I even tried it and it didn't make me sneeze at all, so I guess my nose just isn't super sensitive. But the inside is a different story. The outside, not the most sensitive, but the inside, that's a different story. But anyway, I'm going to be tickling my nose with this feather, and I'm going to make myself sneeze. I hope it's going to make me sneeze, because again, one time it didn't work, but anyway, let's get into it. Okay, yeah, I think it's going to work. I'm brushing it under my nose. Oh yeah, it's going to work. I feel one coming. It's going to make me sneeze. It's just a little slow. Okay. Hold on. It's coming. And there it was. Okay, so that worked, thankfully. I figured it would, because most times when I've done it, it's worked. It's only not worked just that one time. But I just can't seem to get it to do it again. It's like it only makes me sneeze once and that's it. But I'm going to try and do it again and see if it'll make me sneeze again. Okay, I'm brushing it under my nose. I don't know if it's gonna work. First time I do it, it tickles, but second time it just feels soft and nice. Okay, trying. I think this round 2 might be a failed. We'll see. Got it in my nose just a little bit. I kind of don't want to get in there because of germs. I might try that sometime, but I know the inside of my nose is more sensitive than the actual outside. Man, I hate how these feathers just shed. Nope. I'm telling you, just one time and that's it. See, if I keep doing this, we're probably gonna be here all day. But I am trying. Maybe if I breathe in a little, kind of get it to go in my nostrils a little. The feather ends. Breathe in a little, see if it'll tickle. Nope. It just feels soft now. When I first do it, it tickles, but after that one sneeze, it's done. So I might have to wait a while later or even tomorrow to do it again, and then it should work, but I don't know why that is. I guess my nose just isn't sensitive enough to be able to keep doing it, because I know some people, they can do it a couple times and it makes them sneeze, but I guess my nose just isn't sensitive enough to just keep doing it. Oh well, I tried. But at least I was able to get one sneeze out. Anyway, bye guys.